To help us bring it all together, we have this summary table. It's not just for quick revision, it gives you a complete, organized view of how each part of a dicotyledonous leaf is structured, what it does, and how it's adapted to support photosynthesis and gas exchange. Let's break it down. We start with the stomata. These are tiny pores found mostly on the lower surface of the leaf. They're the entry and exit points for gases. Through these pores, carbon dioxide enters, and oxygen and water vapor leave. Then we have the guard cells, which surround the stomata. They're clever, they can change shape to open or close the pore depending on the plant's needs, especially to control water loss. Next is the spongy mesophyll. These are loosely packed cells with air spaces between them. This structure isn't random, it's designed to let gases move around freely inside the leaf. These cells also play a role in photosynthesis. Above that, we have the palisade mesophyll. These are tall, tightly packed cells just below the upper surface, filled with chloroplasts. Because of their position and shape, they absorb maximum sunlight, making them the main site for photosynthesis. In the middle of the leaf, you'll find the vascular bundle, which includes the xylem and phloem. The xylem carries water and minerals from the roots up to the leaf, while the phloem transports the sugars and amino acids produced during photosynthesis to the rest of the plant. Then, we've got the upper epidermis, which forms a transparent layer allowing light to pass through to the cells underneath. The lower epidermis, on the other hand, contains the stomata and supports gas exchange. Covering the upper surface, there's the waxy cuticle, a thin, protective layer that reduces water loss while still letting light pass through. Let's not forget the air spaces in the spongy mesophyll. These spaces expand the internal surface area, helping gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen move efficiently to and from the cells. Finally, we have the distribution of chloroplasts. Most of them are concentrated in the palisade mesophyll, that's where the most sunlight reaches. But some are also found in the spongy layer and guard cells to keep photosynthesis going and help regulate stomatal function. So overall, this summary table gives you a crystal clear picture of how the leaf isn't just a flat green structure, it's a highly organized system, perfectly adapted to absorb sunlight, exchange gases, transport materials, and carry out photosynthesis efficiently. Learn this well, it's a complete package of everything your exam might ask. And that wraps up Unit 6.2. There's still one more unit left in this chapter, which I'll be covering soon. In the meantime, feel free to check out the notes linked in the description and pinned comments for a quick overview of what's coming next. Take care, and see you next time.